Hey, welcome back to Van Life and Beyond. Now, just recently I was talking about it's going to snow, and tonight, look at this snow. Is this not beautiful or what? I love it when Bryson City gets a little bit of snow, and it looks like we might be looking into a little bit of accumulation, maybe up to a couple of inches. Right now, we're beginning to get a little bit on top of the van. You guys check it out, and I'll see you a little bit later. Listen to this good music. Hey, give us a like, subscribe, and leave a little comment. And hope you guys have a wonderful day, wonderful day. And come back and see us again, Van Life and Beyond.